So over here you can see that I am in the Gantt chart view, and right now I'm seeing all of the tasks right here. So what you can also do is you can only view out certain tasks that you want by applying filter onto it as well. So to do that, you need to go around onto the view tab over here on the top, and then over here on the filter section you can go around and click, and here you can see that there are different filters that you can apply. For example, you can go around and select out, let's say, milestones, and it will only display the milestone tasks that you have right here. You can go around over here and let's say select late tasks so that you see the task that has not been done yet. You can go around over here and see summary tasks so that only the summary is shown up right here, and so forth. You can also select out date range right here and then go around, choose the date range. For example, you can select February 1st right here and select till, let's say, February end and press OK, and certain date range has been selected accordingly. You can go around over here and select out different filters according to how you want, or select no filter to remove out the filter altogether as well. So what you can also do is you can go around onto other views. For example, you can go around over here on the task tab, and then you can go around over here and select out, let's say, for example, resource uses, and this is what you have. So now over here as well, you can go around onto the view tab, and then you can go around onto the filter and select out, let's say, for example, over allocated resources, and then it will be filtered out accordingly. You can go for resource cost so that you can see all the costs right here. You can see resource materials right here, resource work, and then filter out on this particular view according to how you want right here. Similarly, for different views right here, you can go around and apply out the filters that you see right here, and depending on the view, you will see different options right here as well. And that is how you can go around and select out filters inside of Microsoft Project to filter out the tasks that you have. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.